Okay, we're going to go over the field installation of the OxyMinder. When you have a Biomed Devices blender, you have this cover on, and we take out these 4 screws, which I've already done. That top cover comes off. We're going to install this lower manifold on the bottom. That gets installed with a flat screwdriver. And then the plug goes in the bottom. Make sure you have the O-ring on there. Then we're going to install the upper housing. We're going to insert the solenoid in the rear and the oxygen analyzer sensor. And then there are 6 different screws to install in the housing. And then we have 1 additional screw right here for the solenoid. Plug it in. And turn on power. That's how simple it is.